Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to repeat a week on Runna. As you can see, I have completed week 1. So all you need to do, by the way, once you launch your app is come here at the bottom panel, click on plan, and then choose the week that you want to repeat. So let's say I want to repeat this week 1, and all I need to do is first uncheck these check marks, okay, on these check boxes. So I'll untick this one as well. And then all I need to do is just rerun these. So I need to come here, click on this run, and then just start the workout. Okay, choose whether it's an outdoor or treadmill run. For example, let's do an outdoor run. And as you can see, I have completed that workout, right? And then you can also complete the other one, and that is how you repeat a week on Runna. Really that easy and simple.